Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bank of England has other options beyond the readiness that it has signalled to act forcefully if needed to tackle inflation, Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey said. Bitcoin held steady at just above $20,000 after Wall Street opened, as Europe's chief banker admitted the world would never return to low inflation. The greenback capitalised on safe haven flows, and the US dollar index gained more than 0.5%. Markets remain cautious midweek, and the dollar continues to hold its ground against its major rivals. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the dollar gain 0.3% against the yen. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT. The US personal income will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index at 22:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.